Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. At the moment we're in negative MACD territory, but we're seeing signs of it converging and we're off of oversold conditions on the RSI, but we are still below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance at the price of $57.28. If we expand out to the 4 hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory and we are also resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line, and that will act as our temporary support at the price of $56.67. If we expand out to the daily chart, we continue to remain in negative MACD territory, and as for now we are seeing sideways action. And for the trade idea of the week, we have a position size of less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry will be at $54.44, which is this range right here, and that coincides with past support levels that dated back to October 6th. For my sell target, that's $57.89, and my stop loss is $53.33. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my short entry will be at $59.04, and that coincides with past resistance levels that date back to October 12th as well as October 14th, and around this range. And for my sell target, that will be $55.59, and my stop loss will be $60.24. So whichever entry price hits my targets first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 40% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 4.6%, and to the downside we have a 60% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 4.6%. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.